Okay, so we're going to just try to unclog it the best we can with the plunger. As you can see, it's a lot of dirty stuff in there. So what we'll have to do is, since it's not draining, I'm going to have to take a little plastic cup and just kind of get some of the water out of here. And as you can see, I'm just I was able to get most of the water out early on. So it's just the remnants of water that's in the tub. So we want to make sure that we get most of it out so it can reach the drain, and then add the baking soda. So again, I'm into the natural remedies as opposed to using, you know, harsh chemicals like liquid Drano. And I believe you don't want to use liquid Drano to unclog your bathtub. That's only for sinks. So just getting most of the water out of here. Baking soda, and remember it's a half a cup of baking soda, as you can see. And then we're going to go ahead and pour the vinegar, and we're going to wait around 10 minutes before we put hot scalding water in the drain. So here we go. So give it a moment there. So we just want to make sure that everything is scooped in there. I just keep scooping it back in there. There we are. And supposedly this is supposed to help. So let's go ahead and pour more in there. There you go. You can see the effects. And now we'll give it just a little more. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and wait 10 minutes, but in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and boil some water. Like the baking soda and a half cup of vinegar worked. Now everything is drained, which enabled me to clean the tub out finally. As you see, all the residue from the clogging is all gone. Everything is nice and clean now. So again, it's really a safe alternative than to use, you know, like a Drano type of liquid to unclog your drains. However, I believe you cannot use Drano in your tub, and I wouldn't advise it anyways. So again, thank you very much for watching my video, and have a good day. Bye-bye.